When you're building Appian applications, you'll come across situations where you need to display the same interface component or layout, for example, a card designed a certain way, for a dynamic list of items. This is where you'll use the looping function abang forEach. For each item in a list, it evaluates an expression and gives the result. It's especially helpful when you don't know how many items are in that list or the number changes often. So you could use it to dynamically display repeated interface components, create user filters from record data, or calculate values across a list of records. There are a lot of ways to use this function, so get creative. Now, let's see how it works. In an expression rule, I'll add abang forEach. It has two parameters, items and expression. First, items is the array that you want to take action on. I'll set items as 1, 2, and 3. Second, expression is the expression that you want to apply to each of the items in the list. So if I simply type 1 and click test, the function returns 1 for each of the 3 items in my list. But when you're using abang forEach, you'll most likely need to reference the values of the list items in your expression. So you can, for example, display record data in an interface component. You'll do this with function variables. Function variables are available within certain functions and have the domain fvbang. Use them as inputs to your expression. There are a few different function variables in abang forEach, like fvbang item count and fvbang is first, that you can use to reference the list items. But let's focus on fvbang item, which is the most common one. fvbang item lets you reference the current item in the list. So in the expression parameter, if I replace 1 with fvbang item, now the function returns 1, 2, and 3, which are the items in the list. You can also use fvbang item to transform your data in the way you need. So if I update the expression to fvbang item plus 1, I get 2, 3, and 4 as the result. Next, let's see how you can use abang forEach to dynamically display interface components. In this scenario, Acme Automobile, a commercial vehicle fleet, wants to display a feed of the comments about a vehicle. Abang forEach is a perfect way to achieve this. It's often used in interfaces to display repeated components when you don't have a set amount of data. In this case, each vehicle can have a different number of comments on it, and that number varies as new comments are added. To get started, I first built a child interface for a single comment that I'll call into my parent interface. I want to repeat this interface for each comment on a vehicle. It includes the user who added the comment, a picture of their avatar, the date and time of the comment, and the comment itself. In the parent interface, I already added my local variable, local bang comments. Using the rule input vehicle ID, a query gets all of the comments on a particular vehicle. I also set up the section layout. In the contents parameter, I can go ahead and add abang forEach. For items, I'll use my local variable, local bang comments. This way, the items in my list are the comments on a particular vehicle. For expression, I'll call the comment interface I built. This interface has the rule input comment, which is used to get the comment's record data. Because I want to use the data for each comment, I'll use fvbang item as the value for the rule input. Now, this interface repeats the comment interface for the 2 different comments on this vehicle. If I change the test value to a different vehicle ID, you can see that the interface now shows the 5 different comments on that vehicle. Great! Another benefit of using abang forEach is when you need to make a change that applies to all components. So if I decide to change the style of the name field, I can update it once in the child interface, and the change is immediately applied to all of the comments in the feed. It would take a lot longer if I had separate text fields for each name and had to manually update all of the style parameters. So even if you do have a set amount of interface components you're repeating, you can use abang forEach to save time building by only configuring it once, like in this key performance indicator pattern. Abang forEach is a versatile function. When you're building your apps, think about how you can use it to build more reusable, comprehensible, and powerful rules and interfaces. To learn more about Appian functions, visit us at Academy Online. And you can get a free Appian Community Edition environment to try it out yourself. Thanks for watching.